Good day and welcome to today's class. Today's class is a continuation of our previous classes on trigonometry. At the previous class, we have learned about trigonometry, where we say trigonometry gives you the relationship between any two sides of a right angle triangle with the included angle. We also looked at a triangle where I was able to identify the opposite side, the hypotenuse side, as well as the adjacent side with reference to a particular angle. We also went ahead to look at complementary angles, where I said two angles are said to be complementary if their sum gives you 90 degrees. Also, at the last class, we were able to see how we can use the trig tables in getting the sine, the cosine, and the tangent of angles. In today's class, we shall also look at how to get those angles when the trig ratios are given. We are asked to find the angles whose sines, cosines, and tangent are as follows. We have A 0.991 degree down to H where we have 0.8516 degrees. I have prepared a table to help us get those values. That if sine theta is equal to 0.9910 degrees, what is that angle that is equivalent to 0.9910 degrees? Now we shall be making use of the trig tables, and I have my trig tables handy. So all you need to do is to go to your trig table and search for 0.9910 and check under what angle is this value found. That is said to be your angle theta. I shall do the first example. We are looking for the angle whose sine is 0.9910. So this is our sine table. We shall look for 0.9910. Just like I told you, the value for sine starts from 0.00. So 9910 will be somewhere around 80 points. So 9910, this is 9952. So going backwards, this is 9928. 9910 is this. So this is said to be 82 under 3 because this is 0.0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3. So therefore our angle is said to be 82.3. So this is said to be 82.3 degrees. B 0.7560. Somewhere here. This is 7570. Now this is 7559. 7559. I'm looking for 7560. Going further, it gives us 7570. So 7560 falls between 49.1 and 49.2. So what I'm going to do is, since I have 7559 here, what will I add to 7559 to make it 7560 is 1. I will trace it down to the difference table. And do I have a difference of 1? Yes, difference of 1 falls under 1. So therefore, my angle is going to be 59 under 1, difference 1. Meaning the angle now is said to be 59.11. So 59.11 is said to be our angle. 59.11. Next is 0.0079. We shall go to our table. 0079, that should be among the first. 0079. Now this is, since this is 0.70 and the next one is higher than what I'm looking for, I will also go to the difference table and look out for 9, that if when added to 70 gives me 79, and that is said to be difference 5. Difference 5 gives us 9. So my angle now is said to be 0.45. So 0.45 is said to be equivalent to 0.0079. You can punch your calculators to confirm this. So our angle now is said to be 0.45. 0.45. D we have that sine theta is equal to 0.1415. What angle will give you 0.1415? You also go back to your sine table and search for this value. The equivalent angle that gives you this value is said to be that angle. 1409. So 8 under 1 is 1409, but I'm looking for 1415. So the difference here is 6. Look at the difference table and see if you have any 6. So you trace it this way and there is no 6. So what will I do? I'm going to take the closest to 6, which is 5. So this gives me 1414. Yes, because you can't get a difference that will be equal to 1415. So we pick the closest or the approximate value, which is 5. If I should pick 7, 7 will be more than. So it's better you pick that which is less than to pick that which is greater. So if this is 5, trace it up. What gives you that which is 3? So therefore, my answer now is going to be 8.13. If you look at it, 1409 is under 8.1 and the difference to be added is 5. So this gives us 8.13. 8.13 degrees. E, we have 0.2515. You also go back to your sine table. 2515 should be somewhere here. Okay, so this is the smallest number before 2515. Now the difference is 11. 11 will be added to this to make it 2515. So you look for a difference of 11. There's no difference of 11, so we pick the smallest or closest, which is 10, so that it gives us 2514, and that is said to be under difference 6. So our answer is going to be 14 under 5 difference 6. 14.56 degrees. And for F, we have 0.9451. 9451. Go back to your sine table and look for 9451. That will be under 80 something. So 9451 is said to be, I have 9449, but a difference of 2 will give me 9451 because the next higher value is greater than 9451. So I can't pick this. Rather, we'll look for a difference that when added to 9449 gives me 9451, and that is said to be difference of 2. Under what difference table did I get 2? This is said to be difference 3. Difference 3 is said to be 2. So our answer now becomes 70.93. So this is 70, angle 70.93. And for G, we have 0.1111. You go back and search for 1111. So I have 1115. There is no 1111, but I have the closest to 1111 is 1097, and all I need to add to 1097 to give me 1111 should be 14. Now trace to the difference table, and I have difference 8 giving me 14. So my answer then becomes 6.38. So this becomes 6.38. We'll also do same to H, where we have 0.8516. That's 0.8516. For 8516, this is 8517, which is higher than 8516. So I have 8508. Looking for a difference of 8, go to the difference table, and difference 9 gives us a difference of 8. So which when added to this gives us 8516. So our answer then becomes 58.39. 58.39. So what this means is that it is sine 82.3 that gives you the value 0.9910, and that it is sine 59.11 that gives you the value of 0.7560, and so on and so forth. So this is how to use your sine table to get your angle when the value of sine theta is given. Kindly like our videos as you watch. While we recommend you subscribe to our channel if you are yet to do so. Also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You're also encouraged to use the comment section to interact with me on issues that are still difficult for you. Also share the links with your friends and family so that they can also benefit from this class. We shall now take the second question